Guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll be sharing my mini reviews of all the products that I got from Purple. I got a lot of products from Good Vibes and two products from the brand called Dermdoc. And I asked you guys if you wanted mini reviews of each of the products, and a lot of you guys said yes. And yeah, I'll be reviewing each and every product that I have used, and I think it's been more than a month now since I've been using them. So without further ado, let's get started. I'll just briefly tell you guys कि क्या products हैं मेरे पास. The first one right here is the Good Vibes Shea Butter Deep Moisturizing Body Lotion. The second one is the Good Vibes Green Tea Revitalizing Face Cream. This is what it looks like. And then next I have this Green Tea Rejuvenating Face Mask. Here you go. And next I have this Good Vibes Green Tea Glow Toner. This is the one. And the second last product is the Dermdoc Heal Repair Foot Cream, and this is what it looks like. And lastly I have this Dermdoc Moisturizing Under Eye Serum with Sodium Hyaluronate, and this is what it looks like. So these are all the products that I'll be reviewing, and I'll try to keep this video as informative and as well as short. Please don't mind my hair and all. मैं जब भी ना वीडियो फिल्म करने को बैठती हूँ तब ही मेरा बाल मिसबिहेव करता है. पूरा दिन इतना अच्छा लग रहा था मेरा बाल कल शैम्पू की, एंड लुक एट द कंडीशन ऑफ माई हेयर राइट नाउ. सो my hair doesn't behave when I want it to. Okay, let's start with the review. I'll try to keep this video very informative and very short. Let's start with Dermdoc, since I just have two products from the brand. The first one right here is the Dermdoc Moisturizing Under Eye Serum, and this is what it looks like. This is a 10 ml bottle, and this is what it looks like. And this moisturizing serum is made with sodium hyaluronate. The brand is paraben free, sulfate free and cruelty free, suitable for all skin types. The key ingredient inside this product, sodium hyaluronate, vitamin E palmitate and vitamin E acetate and sodium PCA. I have this 10 ml bottle and मैंने Purple से खरीदा था. Purple का haul अगर देखे नहीं हो तो आई कार्ड में दे दूँगी, आप लोग देख लेना. So yes, I constantly use this product for 3.5 weeks, and 3.5 weeks के अंदर ही ये ख़त्म हो गया. So क्योंकि बहुत ही छोटा है तो within 3.5 weeks it got over. Let me be very honest, it didn't do anything drastically. I didn't see any drastic change in my under eye dark circles, also because I don't have a lot of dark circles. So मुझे कोई अच्छा खासा फ़र्क नज़र नहीं आया मेरे dark circles पे. It did hydrate my under eye, not very much. I think if you use your regular moisturizer or your cream to moisturize your under eye, I think it will do a tremendous, fabulous job. But this did hydrate, but not very much. जितना मैं चाहती हूँ, मैं अपना वाओ का विटामिन सी वाला जो मॉइस्चराइज़र है हल्का सा लेके मैं ठीक से मसाज करती हूँ अंडर आई को, तो अच्छा खासा मॉइस्चराइज कर देता है मेरे अंडर आई को. सो दिस बीइंग एन अंडर आई सीरम, आई थिंक इट्स नॉट वर्थ द बाय. आई डिडंट लाइक इट. हो सकता है कि आप लोगों को पसंद आए, बट मैंने तो इसे सिर्फ ट्राई करने को ख़रीदा था. एंड या आई वाज राइट, इट डिडंट डू anything magically. I did get this because मुझे बहुत अच्छा खासा रिव्यू मुझे दिखा रिव्यू सेक्शन पे. People loved it. They have written that they have seen drastic changes under their eyes and with the dark circles, but in my case I didn't see any drastic change. This retails for 199 rupees. I think for 200 rupees it is quite small. 3 हफ्ते के अंदर ही ख़त्म हो जाएगा, एक महीना भी नहीं चलता है. So I think you can try this if you are shopping from Purple. आप खरीद सकते हो, आप ट्राई कर सकते हो and see for yourself. Again, skin care is very personal. अगर मुझे ये पसंद ज़्यादा नहीं आ रहा है, I'm not hating on this, but skin care is very subjective. कुछ अगर मुझे ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आ रहा है तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वो प्रोडक्ट अच्छा ही नहीं हो. You can get this and buy this, and हो सकता है कि आप लोगों को अच्छा लगे and आपके ऊपर अच्छा काम करे. I don't like the fact that they do not write the full ingredient list. They do not mention the ingredients, like full ingredient on the packaging. So it's something that they need to work on. I will and will not recommend this product at the same time. and again this retails for 199 rupees for 10 ml of product. Next up I have the Dumb Dog Hill Repair Foot Cream with urea. I hope I pronounced it right, but yeah, this is what it looks like. And yeah, आपको close up दिखा देती हूँ, and this is what it looks like. ऊपर को भूख लगा and that's why he started shouting. The inside looks like this. It comes with a cover, and when I open this up, ouch, दिस इज़ व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक. ये देखने में आपको लग रहा है ना कि ये जेल कंसिस्टेंसी का है. येस, ये जेल कंसिस्टेंसी का है, बट आप जब इसे मसाज करते जाओगे यू विल फील दिस ऑयलीनेस एंड दिस हैवीनेस. मुझे लगा था कि मुझे देख के मुझे लगा कि ये एक जेल क्रीम है, तो हाउ विल इट मॉइस्चराइज माई फीट. आई वॉज वेरी कन्फ्यूज, बट देन व्हेन आई यूज्ड इट एंड सी व्हेन आई मसाज दिस, कैन यू सी how shiny and moisturized my hand is. So yeah, the formula is very tricky. They have mentioned quite a bit of the ingredients, and I'm very bad at pronouncing all of the scientific names, so I wouldn't go and start telling you the ingredients. But yeah, this retails for 175 rupees, and it says benefits of this is it removes dead skin cells, locks in moisture, helps treat dryness, and it strengthens the skin renewal process. I will suggest this one. Looking at the price, that it is just for 175 rupees and you get 50 grams of product. ये भले दिखने में जेल है, but आप मसाज जब करोगे, when you start massaging this, आपको महसूस होगा कि it is quite hydrating and it's quite moisturizing. You just have to take like tiny amount of the product and massage that. And I think ये अच्छा खासा 2 महीने तक आपका चल जाएगा, 2-3 महीने तक आपका चल जाएगा अगर आप इसे decently लगातार डेली आप यूज़ करोगे. So a decently priced product and it works quite well. So great product from Dumb Dog. Okay, let's begin with the brand called Good Vibe. The first one right here is the Good Vibe Shea Butter Deep Moisturizing Body Lotion, and this is what it looks like. And as you guys can see, ये आधे से ज़्यादा ख़त्म हो चुका है, and I'm left with this much, like यहाँ तक ख़त्म हो चुका है and इतना सा बचा हुआ है. So this is what the packaging looks like. I really love the packaging. It looks so cute, and ये बहुत ही like as soon as you pump this out, it will feel very very the consistency, the formulation is very light, तो बहुत ज़्यादा पतला है. When you compare this to a regular body lotion, this consistency is very thin. मैं आपको पम्प करके दिखा दूँ कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा पतला कंसिस्टेंसी है, and the lotion is quite thin in texture. See, आप देख पा रहे हो कि कितना पतला कंसिस्टेंसी है. It is very runny, and अब देख पा रहे हो कितना वाटर बेस्ड है. सो as soon as you massage this, you will feel like oh my god, ये तो बिल्कुल ही like मॉइस्चराइज नहीं करेगा. But when you start massaging this, you will get to see कि ये बहुत अच्छी तरीके से मॉइस्चराइज करता है. I love it so much. मुझे लगा था कि this is like a बेकार वाला purchase. I wasted my money buying this product. This retails for 195 rupees. अगर और थोड़ा सा अगर क्वांटिटी बढ़ा देता तो मैं बोलती कि पैसा वसूल, बिकॉज ये हल्का सा छोटा है. फॉर द प्राइस इट इज़ लगभग 200 रुपीज़. 200 के लिए आई थिंक इट इज़ क्वाइट स्मॉल. अगर हल्का सा बढ़ा देता तो मैं बोलती कि पूरा पैसा वसूल है, बिकॉज इट हाइड्रेट्स द स्किन वेरी वेल. आई लव इट. एंड इसका पूरा इंग्रेडिएंट लिस्ट आपको यहाँ मिल जाएगा, तो पूरा जो भी इसके अंदर डाला गया है इट इज़ रिटन राइट हियर. सो आई रियली लव द फैक्ट दैट दे हैव लिस्टेड each and every ingredient. Everything is written. Customer care number भी यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है. Here you'll be able to see कि shea butter क्या करता है. Shea butter, because shea butter is loaded with vitamins and fatty acids. Shea butter nourishes the skin incredibly. Skin on my face is oily, but the rest of my body, like the skin on the rest of my body, they are pretty dry. So I have to moisturize them every now and then, pretty regularly in fact. So I really love this. I highly recommend this one, especially the shea butter one. I really love the fact that they kept the fragrance percentage very very low. I love it so much. So yeah, a great start from Good Vibes. Next up, I have this Good Vibes ka green tea toner, and this is what it looks like. It is a green tea glow toner, and yep, this is what it looks like. This is the 200 ml bottle. I think I got the bigger size, and I think they also have the 100 ml one. Good Vibes, it has no alcohol, no paraben, no sulfate, and they are cruelty free. The price of this is 225. I can go on and on, telling you guys with the benefits of drinking green tea and using green tea skincare. The ingredients again is listed right here. Each and every ingredient is listed right here. The manufacturer and everything, the mark, the customer care number and batch number, manufactured, when it is manufactured, and when is the expiry date, and the price is written out here. I really love the toner, but there is something that I need to talk about. This is a green tea toner, but I'll show you guys. Green tea is the second last ingredient before color, so it is quite shocking. ये green tea toner है, but the green tea is in the second last position of the ingredient list. And yep, this is the ingredient list, and I'll take time and guys, can you see the green tea extract is listed as the second last ingredient before color and after perfume. Shocking. I was very enjoying this, but then I feel so cheated. I was very much using this product day and night constantly, but then when I saw this, I was very shocked. We are being cheated. It should be in between top 5 or even top 10, but it's the second last ingredient in the ingredient list. People have talked great things about the toner, but they have to know कि क्या है क्या नहीं. I have been using green tea का stuff that are very potent and जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा concentration है उनके अंदर green tea का. So I've stopped using this. I've been using the Wowka vitamin C toner, but again, since I got this with my own money, I have to finish this up. I don't like to waste my money, so I'll be using this again. I'll start using this again, and I'll be finishing this up. So yeah, there you go, the mini review of the toner. It was a very good start for Good Vibes with the lotion, but like the toner is a huge disappointment. Okay, next up I have this Good Vibes green tea revitalizing face cream, and this is what it looks like. Oh my god. The net weight of this is 50 grams, and again, green tea, it contains compound that shrink the pores. Green tea is also known to improve skin texture and complexion for an even skin tone. Okay, and again, it is high in antioxidants, great for anti-aging. In this face cream, green tea is listed in the 12th ingredient. Like green tea is the 12th ingredient inside this face cream. I was enjoying this face cream a lot. I used it for one and a half weeks, and after that I stopped. Whew. It was a horrible experience. I didn't had a lot of poker issue, like visible poker issue. Yes, I have oily skin. I have very oily skin, but I never had large pores issue. Like I said, you cannot make your pores invisible. So yeah, pores are going to be there no matter how much you try to make your pores invisible. It is not going to be invisible. So yeah, I saw reviews where people have written down that ये cream आपका pores को छोटा कर देगा. It will shrink your pores. It will minimize the size of your pores, and that's the reason I got this face cream, and इसी वजह से मैंने इसे खरीदा. But एक हफ्ते के I used it for one and a half weeks, and after that मैंने इसे लगाना छोड़ दिया, इसे यूज़ करना छोड़ दिया. Why? Because पूरा opposite हुआ मेरे साथ. आप मानोगे नहीं, मेरा पोर्स इतना बड़ा हो गया. एंड मैं जब अपने दी को वीडियो कॉल की, शी वाज लाइक, व्हाट इज़ अप विद योर पोर्स? How are they so big suddenly, and why are they so visible? And I was like, oh my god, like this cream did the total opposite. I wanted it to shrink my pores, not make my pores invisible, but instead it made my pores much larger than what they were, and I'm so sad. I'm still trying to make sure that मेरा pores हल्का सा और छोटा हो जाए, पहले जैसा हो जाए. Not I don't want anything more than this. पहले जैसा हो जाए, बस मैं वो चाह रही हूँ. बहुत ही ज़्यादा visible हो गया है मेरा pores. I'm very very disappointed. It might have worked great for them. It did not react in a good way for my skin, and it did the total opposite to what I read the reviews. Green tea has so many beneficial properties for your body, your skin, your hair. So this is what the cream looks like. The color is very greenish, aquish greenish in color. There you go. This is my review of the green tea face cream. Was very excited, but now totally disappointed. Next up, I have this Good Vibes Green Tea Rejuvenating Face Mask, and this is what it looks like. बहुत ही similar packaging है. ये क्रीम है and ये face mask है. बहुत ही ज़्यादा similar packaging है, बस नाम ही अलग है. And let me just show you guys how it looks like. And yeah, this is what it looks like. ये भी बहुत ही ग्रीन है, but ये बहुत ही अच्छा वाला दिखने वाला ग्रीन है. And yeah, this is what it looks like. I have used this mask quite a bit. I have been very much enjoying this particular green tea face mask a lot, surprisingly, but I've been enjoying a lot. मैंने इसे 4-5 बार मैंने इसे यूज़ कर लिया है, and I've been really enjoying this. मैंने इसका एक I think वीडियो भी किया था Instagram पे, जहाँ मैं मेरा पूरा ग्रीन स्किन केयर यूज़ कर रही हूँ. तो अगेन आप लोग जाकर देख सकते हो. And yeah, after using this product, after rinsing off the marks, my face looks so much clean and brightened, and I love that. बहुत ही साफ सुथरा दिखता है after I rinse off the marks, and I love this. If you're looking for a budget मार्क्स, ग्रीन टी मार्क्स, आप इसे खरीद सकते हो. आप बिल्कुल इसे ट्राई कर सकते हो. दिस डील्स फॉर 225 रुपीज़. मैं ये नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि ये बहुत ही अच्छा है, बट अगेन आप ट्राई कर सकते हो. आई एम नॉट सेइंग आई लाइक इट अ लॉट, और आई एम नॉट सेइंग आई डोंट लाइक इट. अच्छा खासा काम करता है. इसकी प्राइस के हिसाब से ये अच्छा खासा काम करता है. एंड अगेन इंग्रेडिएंट्स एंड ऑल यहाँ पे मेंशन किया हुआ है. पीपल लव दिस, सो मुझे भी ये काफ़ी पसंद आया. एंड आई हैव बीन यूजिंग दिस. अगेन अ डिसेंट क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट, डिसेंट परफॉर्मिंग प्रोडक्ट विथ अ डिसेंट price. And देखते we have come till the end. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. And मैंने अपना पूरा honest opinions and honest views मैंने रखा है इन सारे चीज़ों के ऊपर. The green tea face serum, it is a huge disappointment for me. I will try this. I'll give this cream a second shot, and let's see how it works. That is it for this video, and I hope you guys like it. And if you do, make sure you like my video, subscribe कर देना मेरे channel को, and hit the bell to get notified every single time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.